Hello guys, guess what landed today? The Sony FX2, a full-frame cinema camera that's all about cinematic quality and compact design. Let's unbox it together. Inside the box, you have the camera body, battery, and the eye cap that sleek new EVF. Let's plug in. First impressions? Wow, it feels so solid yet compact. Perfect for solo shooting. And look, all the Tiltable EVF, just like a cinema camera should. The FX2 have 33 megapixel sensor, means oversampled 4K, super detailed, dual ISO, and over 15 stop of dynamic range for low light super powers unlock. Check out the stabilization built-in IBIS plus dynamic active mode for battery movement. Autofocus keeps your shots locked on even if your pet runs into a frame. This is just the beginning or unboxing. The full cinematic test is coming next. I'll also show how to extract 33 megapixel frames, test overheating, and color grade with S-Log 3. Stay tuned.